Good morning and welcome to the first summer vlog. Today I'm going to clean out the refrigerator, clean out the pantry, make a meal plan, organize it, because it's now summertime and we eat different in the summer. We, you know, we're here more, we don't need as much like snacky food as we used to and things like that. So I'm gonna get rid of anything that's, you know, expired or bad, which there shouldn't be much. Clean things out because I know meat spilled in there this week, and just figure out what I can do for a meal plan. I know I have steak in there, I have beef in there for this weekend, and then I just have to see also what I have in all of our freezers. So I'm gonna do this, go to probably Walmart to grocery shop this week, because if I need like containers or anything, I can get those as well. And then I'll show you how it looks when all is said and done, because right now it's a hot mess.
Hey guys, welcome to Aubrey's kitchen.
Yeah, welcome to It'll Be Fast Motion. Okay, this is what the refrigerator turned out to be like. We had a couple things on the sides that were expired. Other than that, everything was good. I moved my bins around just for the kids to kind of have like a quick access to the things that they want and need. I put Aubrey's coffee there just so it doesn't spill out. The steak for tonight on a platter, fruit, vegetables. The only thing, I didn't think I had more of these, but I just found them when I was cleaning the pantry, so I'm going to clean or replace that. I even organized this drawer. I went through here and like we have plenty of nuggets and things like that for the kids this week. Uncrustables, fries if they wanted to make it with their nuggets. We didn't have as much meat as I thought. We must have not been buying meat at Costco lately, but we do have meatballs. I have 2 packages of ground beef in the refrigerator. I have 2 in the freezer outside, and I have some Impossible burgers. And then I went through this and organized everything. We were buying the cups of macaroni and cheese. Buying those is literally the same thing. You just don't have the cup. Your kids have to put it in a bowl. That's been a game changer because, one, they're not going through them as quickly, but they're not leaving it everywhere and making a mess everywhere. So I just put those there. I'm going to get some more paper towels for here, just so we have plenty. I put our paper goods there. This is what we use. Like, it normally has like chips and stuff like that in it. I obviously won't buy that type of stuff much over the summer because we can just buy a big bag of chips and let them, you know, go through it or whatever. And just kind of like, I organized everything. I moved some jars around and got everything that I could think that we would need. I also went through the other freezer and there's like bagels, English muffins. So I'm not going to buy any more cereal because I'm really trying to convince them to use this cereal up before we buy more. I do want to get pancake mix because we can make pancake mix, you know, whenever. But I think I can make a meal plan with what I have without having to buy a ton of stuff at the grocery store. I'm not going to buy any snacks. I feel like we're good on that type of stuff. We have Goldfish, animal crackers that they use with the cookie butter, chocolate covered pretzels, granola, brownie brittle, more brownie brittle, Cheez-Its, Nilla wafers, scones, like those little angel food cakes that they can put fruit on, which I do need fruit. We do have a little bit of cereal left, but I think I have enough stuff that I can make a pretty quick grocery run this week and not really have to buy excuse me, a ton of stuff. I would like to get a few more containers. So I would like this row to be the drinks. So if there's anything I could buy, or even like maybe just like a tray, so that if they did leak, they would leak on the tray, because we normally have like this in here, a like fruit punch type juice and an orange juice in here. That way like Jeff's like 2-liter soda that's taller can fit here. And I normally have like a jug of sweet tea, so that would alleviate that space. I would like almost a bucket for the meat, because the meat does drain because I only put it in these type of bags. These work really well for these like Chobani yogurts and things like that, so I'll probably keep doing that. I also could take this one and put it here, move this one here, so all the like meat is on one drawer. And then I've been using those for like my applesauce packets, which I eat all the time. This has like sour cream and whipped cream, and I mean I could put that in here, but once I get some deli cheese and lunch meat, because now that I'm home for the summer, I'll make a sandwich because I have the time. Like at work I would just normally do leftovers. But that is pretty good for there. And here I didn't really feel like I had a need for bins. I kind of would like maybe one more cereal bin, but like a large one, for like the boxes like that, because they tend to like open up a bunch, but I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. I do want to get another one of these. I got it a while back, and I just got some Amazon money from students, so I may buy to do that. But I'm going to see what I can do for lunches this week. I mean for dinners this week. I think I will be home every single day this week. Tuesday I might be tired just because it's the last day of work.